Hello, Mr. Xavier. So it's me, Jessina, and today I have a lot of questions in my mind. So can I start?
Yes, you can. I'm super excited to talk to you.
Okay, so before asking my questions, I want to know that how are you feeling?
Well, I'm over the moon as you know that we are having our spoken and phonetics class, and also apparently now we are having a conversation, so that's why I'm fantastic.
That's great. So, how is your school?
Well, my school is fantastic. The name of my school is Cox's Bazar Model High School, and it has a lot of things which attracts everyone. The education of our school is also very nice, and all of the teachers are very cooperative and they are qualified also. And the students are also great. And we have a large field where we can play, and well, there have three buildings in our school.
Thanks for your answer. So, let me ask you something about your mother, right? So,
Okay.
how's your mother?
Well, my mother is great. Her name is John Akhtar. Well, she loves to take care of us, and she's very fantastic woman, and she's a housewife actually.
Do you draw pictures?
Yes, I do, and I think that drawing is one of my favorite hobbies, and I love to do in my free time. I usually love to sketch, and sometimes I also love to prefer acrylic paintings.
That's great. So, what types of pictures do you draw usually?
Well, usually I love to paint on canvas, so I can say canvas paintings are my favorite. Otherwise, as I've already said, that I love to prefer sketch paintings. So I usually love to sketch about natural sceneries or portraits or any kind of festivals.
That's great. So, do you practice singing?
Yes, I do. And singing is also one of my favorite hobbies. And usually, whenever I feel demotivated, whenever I don't have anything to do, I love to sing on that time.
Okay, so what do you do in your free time?
Well, usually in my free time, I love to practice my hobbies. And my favorite hobbies are reading books, painting, and singing. I love to do all that stuff. And also, apparently now, I'm into coding. So I love to do coding also. And I think you know about coding, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
So, my next question is, do you like to travel?
Yes, I do. I feel that whenever I feel sad or whenever I feel very demotivated, on that time I go outside to see the nature, to explore the nature actually.
Okay, so where do you like to travel?
Well, I don't have any specific place to travel, but I love to prefer natural things. So whenever I feel very demotivated, whenever I try to go outside, I try to go in sea beach or in any natural places.
That's great. So, who helps you to do your homework?
I think teachers help me to do my homework. For an example, Rasa sir helps me to do my homework. Like he teaches us a lot of things, and I think it's also included in our homework. Otherwise, I think nobody helps me that much. I do it by my own self.
Okay, so never mind. What's your class role?
Well, my class roll is 8 apparently now, and I'm improving. And I think you know that I'm in the ACC 26 batch. That means I'm a 10th grader student. So as I have my ACC exam, so I'm improving my scores.
Okay, so will you go to school tomorrow?
Well, no, because tomorrow is Saturday, and Saturday we don't have school.
Okay, so what's your address?
Well, my address is located at Barmy School Road, and it's in Cox's Bazar. It's a very famous place.
Okay, so can I know when is your birthday?
Yes, you can know. Basically, my birthday is on 25th August, and it's a great day, I think.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I do. I usually celebrate my birthday with my family members and with my friends. I love to go outside. I love to cut cakes. And yeah, that's how I usually celebrate my birthday.
Could you please tell me something about your village?
Yes, Basically, my village is located at Kumilla, and the village name is Rajapara. Basically, the natural environment are very great. All of the peoples are also very great, and we have ponds, we have trees, and as I've already said, that I love natural things. So that's why I love my village a lot.
What does your father look like?
I think he looks like me. He's handsome. He's taller than me.
Okay, so do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have two sisters. My eldest sister is married, and another sister is in job after studying from Dhaka University.
Okay, so now we are now we are making a conversation in English, right?
Yes.
So can you speak English fluently?
Yes, I believe that I speak fluently and like a native speaker, but I'm improving myself more. I am trying to learn a lot of things in phonetics, and you know about phonetics, right? So
Yes.
yeah, that's why I think that I'm improving myself more and more, and yeah.
So please tell me how many days are there in a week? Can you tell them properly?
Yes, there are 7 days in a week. There are Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
That's perfect. So when do you get up?
Well, usually I don't have any specific time or specific schedule. I love to wake up early, but whenever I have my coachings, I usually wake up at 7 or 7:30 o'clock. But whenever I don't have my coachings, but I have my schools, on that time I try to wake up late.
What did you do last night?
Well, last night I studied. I studied physics and mathematics, and also I was having my free time. That's why I was practicing my hobbies. I read a book which name is Chelebela, and the writer is Rabindranath Tagore. So I
Okay.
love that book. I love to read that book last night.
That's great. So do you like to go to a restaurant?
Yes, I love to go. I feel that whenever I try to go outside, I also prefer restaurants to go.
Oh, I just forgot. I have a class now. So my last question will be, who is your best friend?
Well, there are a lot of best friends. Well, there are Abrar, Muntakib, Samir. So basically, these three are my bestest best friends.
Oh,
So
thanks for your answer. That was great, and I'm very happy.